Vertical smokers have become increasingly popular among BBQ enthusiasts who want to achieve restaurant-quality smoked meats at home. Their upright design allows for efficient heat and smoke circulation, making them ideal for both beginners and seasoned grillers. In this guide,
List number 1. Captiva Design's Charcoal Vertical Smoker Grill and Offset Smoker Grill Combo. The Captiva Design's Charcoal Vertical Smoker Grill is a versatile option for those who love the flavor of traditional charcoal smoking. Featuring a vertical smoker chamber combined with an offset grill box, this unit gives you multiple cooking styles in one package. The vertical smoker section is designed for slow cooking and infusing meats with rich, smoky flavor. With multiple cooking racks, you get ample space for smoking ribs, brisket, or even a whole turkey. The offset grill chamber can be used for direct grilling, making this smoker a true combo unit. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, it ensures durability and even heat retention. The adjustable air vents and built-in thermometer allow for precise temperature control, while the side firebox makes it easy to add charcoal or wood chips without losing heat. While it requires more attention than electric models,
List number 2. Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker with leg kit. The Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker takes the guesswork out of smoking with its user-friendly design. Featuring a digital control panel, this smoker lets you easily set and maintain your desired temperature and cooking time, making it great for both beginners and pros. The unit provides 4 chrome-coated racks, offering generous cooking space for meats, fish, or vegetables. The built-in thermostat ensures consistent heat, while the side wood chip loading system allows you to add flavor without opening the door. This model comes with a leg kit, raising the smoker to a more comfortable working height, a thoughtful feature that makes access easier. Its insulated body improves heat retention, ensuring steady smoke throughout the cooking process. While it lacks the traditional charcoal flavor, it makes up for it with convenience and precision. If you value consistency and low-maintenance cooking, the Masterbuilt Digital Electric Smoker is a reliable choice for backyard barbecues.
List number 3. East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch electric smoker. The East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch electric smoker is designed for precision smoking. Equipped with a built-in meat probe, it allows you to monitor internal temperatures without opening the smoker, ensuring perfect results every time. This smoker features a digital control system that makes it easy to set temperature and cooking time. Its double-wall insulation keeps heat stable, while the viewing window gives you a clear look at your food without losing smoke. The 4 removable racks provide excellent cooking capacity, accommodating large cuts of meat or multiple dishes at once. The wood chip tray is conveniently located and easy to refill, giving you consistent smoke flavor. Durability is another strong point, with its stainless steel components and robust build. While it runs on electricity, it still produces a satisfying smoky flavor thanks to its efficient chip burning system. For those who want convenience, list number 4. East Oak 30-inch electric smoker for outdoors, built-in meat probe. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker is another excellent choice from the brand, designed for outdoor smoking with user-friendly features. Like the Ridgewood Pro, it comes with a built-in meat probe, allowing you to check internal food temperatures without disrupting the cooking process. It has a digital control system for easy operation, with precise temperature management and a reliable timer. The smoker's insulated construction ensures consistent heat, while its 4 chrome-plated racks offer plenty of space for a variety of foods. The design includes a viewing window, making it easy to check on your food while minimizing smoke loss. Its wood chip loading tray is accessible and simple to refill, helping you maintain that classic smoky flavor. While similar to the Ridgewood Pro, this model focuses more on outdoor convenience and straightforward usability. It's a great pick for families or casual barbecue fans who want reliable smoking results without constant monitoring.
List number 5. Masterbuilt 30-inch electric vertical barbecue smoker with analog temperature control.
For those who prefer simplicity, the Masterbuilt 30-inch analog electric smoker offers straightforward operation without the bells and whistles of digital models. Its analog temperature control dial makes it easy to adjust heat levels, making it ideal for beginners who want a no-fuss smoking experience. The smoker provides 3 chrome-coated cooking racks, giving you enough space for a variety of meats and vegetables. Its built-in temperature gauge helps you monitor heat, while its insulated design maintains steady smoking conditions. This model uses a front-loading wood chip tray, allowing you to infuse your food with rich, smoky flavor. Though it requires manual adjustments compared to digital models, it provides consistent results once you get the hang of temperature management. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, durable, and beginner-friendly vertical smoker, the Masterbuilt Analog is a practical and reliable choice.